Well, everyone, you might be getting into a pop-up on your iPhone where for some reason it's telling you that basically no location was found. So it can give you a little pop-up like this. It can look like a lot of different things. Now, number one, the main reason why this could be happening is usually because of some technical or connectivity issue. The first thing to do is make sure you even have the location services turned on. If it's your device that's causing location services problems, or if it's a different device that you have, contact with, you might want to go into your settings of that iPhone. You want to go down into your, privacy and security. So find the privacy and security option right here. And then under location services, just make sure location services is enabled. Again, if this is a device that you own or whatever, that's probably the first thing I'd recommend doing. If it's a different device, you might just have to go through and wait it out until that device comes back into basically location services. So sometimes you might just have to go through and just basically type in, an app that you're trying to look for. So like Find My, for example. If for some reason that type of device that you're looking for isn't working, well, then you might just have to kind of wait it out until maybe that device gets back up. It's like a network refresh. Sometimes that can be a little bit of an issue that you might have to wait as well. You might also want to go through and go back into your iPhone settings like this. Go back into your general settings right over here, and then go into your date and time settings. And all you're going to have to do is just make sure that you have your date and time set automatically. That can be another thing you might want to try doing as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.